little rascal. My daddy did it, I'm a bastard. I got a buck 50.
Oh, this is copyrighted. Good morning. I just woke up. I'm still in the bed. As y'all can see, I'm tired. I gotta be to work at 12. And I told my managers that I promised them that I wasn't gonna be late no more. And it is 9:30. I have to leave the house 30 minutes in advance to be to work on time. I don't know why I made promises I can't keep at this point. I'm so tired. Why? So first, we're just gonna come over here, get us some light, and we just gonna open up the blinds. Y'all see how pretty it is outside? See how pretty it is. Look at how pretty it is. Okay, I'm done showing y'all people's house. So that's what I do in the mornings. I open my blinds first. And this is me. It's gonna turn it on. What is going on? Why is it showing like that? Alright. Let's go down these stairs and get some breakfast. First, I need to change out this lens because I do not like this lens. So, I'll be right back. Alright, we back in action, folks. So, what we about to do now is get some breakfast. And where's my wrap? Did you take the other wrap? Get that off me, Charity, if I print you and don't put me on there. Okay. Dang. They ain't gonna play. Hey, please, okay? We're gonna get in the plate first. So I got the veggie jalapeno. Can you open it?
The camera down. What's the point in having a tripod?
It won't stay up with the tripod.
What?
It won't.
What are you talking about?
It will not stay up. Let me see. I was setting it up on the leg.
You are damn dumb.
I bet not fall, Raven, because look at them legs.
They're meant to bend.
They're meant to bend.
I hope that ain't got no camera in here.
I don't try to get us kicked out the show, right? That's love. They hung his head and then he died. That's love. They stretched him wide.
Put it in there. Don't be ashamed of your God.
That's love.
I'm afraid.
Ooh, child and the family, man.
I got more than some roaches now.
These hoes. Like they very loyal. Sleeping with another woman. Ain't no another woman. These other hoes.
What are you talking about?
That's some old Gucci. child.
She's OG, y'all.
Okay. Alright, so this is the burrito. It's a veggie jalapeno. So I got tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, eggs, potatoes, and cheese. And I'm about to do that, eat this while I do my makeup. And I'm gonna just come over here because we got you right on my vanity. And I'm gonna pick out the primer I want to use. And I think I'm gonna use this one because I'm wearing a Dior foundation today. And my manager has been raving about this. And I got this a long time ago and grabbed this at Sephora. And I told her that I'm gonna just try it. And if I don't like it, I'm gonna give it to her. So we got that. Then we go for foundation. We are going to use the Dior. This is the Dior Forever. So it goes with the Forever Skin. Ain't that what it? No, it's called Dream Skin. With my dumbass. Okay, so then for palettes, my go-to palette has been this one. But honestly, I think I'm gonna still do that. And you know what? I'm gonna do one of these Jaclyn Hills because I barely use them. And I'm gonna use this one because I like the colors in it. So I'm gonna do that. And then lips. Oh yeah, we're gonna come back to that. Even though I know I'm gonna do for lips. And then lashes. I got the string all in the way. I'm sorry, y'all. Lashes. I think I'm gonna do these ones. But oh, you know what? I got mine out from yesterday. And I'm gonna do it's these. And those are the iconic number 30. But y'all, guess what? I just got my Lily lashes and I ordered 5 pairs. I'm waiting for all my makeup to get in from Black Friday. I'm waiting for all my makeup to get in from Black Friday before I do a haul on what I got. But I got my Fashion Nova stuff that I'm gonna do. So yeah, we about to get ready and we about to slay this thing, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get back into the car. Probably when I get into the car because my battery is about to die on my camera. And then when I get into the car, I'm gonna just be vlogging from off my phone. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're looking at a bunch of black right now. I'm picking out what outfit I want to wear today, and I think I'm gonna go with, where is it? It's my long sleeve. See how difficult this is? Ain't got nothing, but I hope it's in here. Yes. So I'm gonna wear this black shirt. This is that, and then it just got little frazzies, and I'm gonna wear some tights. So let's see, where are these tights? Got me some tights, and then I am going to wear this cardigan because it is 50 degrees out today, so we'd be fine. So I'm gonna wear this big old cardigan. And for shoes, I'm gonna either wear these boots, these are thigh highs, or these from Fashion Nova obviously, or these. I don't know. I'll show y'all what I wear when I put it on, okay? I'll talk to y'all in a bit. She's an idiot. Oh, clown.
Is it an ugly filter?
You look cute.
Thank you. I ain't even got nothing on today.
You look beautiful.
Oh, I love you.
That's my best friend. Alright, y'all, so I just got off work. It is 7:10. I don't know what I'm about to do. Like, I low-key, I just want to go home and eat some noodles, but like at the same time I kind of want to pick something up. But I still got some leftover Popeye's chicken. So I think I'm going to just eat what I have instead of wasting money. I got tipped tonight, y'all. Like, that's probably why, because it's probably why it's the devil trying to tip me to spend my tip. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hold on to my little change. And I'm going to just go home, eat some noodles, and warm up this little Popeye's chicken, and call it a day. So I'm check in with y'all when I get home. So yeah. You're annoying. Oh, I did my skincare, y'all. You coming down with me?
People was expecting that.
Let's
Hey,
go
why
down.
is you putting your ponytail to the side?
Let's go down because they need to see my tail.
What you eat? About 3 times a week?
Forgot my dang on chicken I had last night. I got a.
I thought we was going somewhere.
Oh, I thought so too. You didn't let me know where we was going. You said you ain't know. So I've been waiting on you. Oh, I can't. I cannot.
You're lying.
What?
What you did?
I kept going.
Fuck you.
Middle of the she pull up in a
It's the middle of December, she pull up in a skirt. Santa Claus of the hood, I pull up with the work. They
call me East Atlanta Santa, run up on and get murked. Nigga trapping through
My noodles?
feeling
Hot and spicy beef. These the best kind. In the cup, ho.
Got an extendo and an AK.
I could do a little twerk. Could do a little twerk or something. You know what I'm saying? Dang. Alright. I always take a plate out to sit them on when I put them in the microwave. So the water won't boil over. And it can have something to fall on. I'm gonna get my skincare, y'all. If your face don't look like Crisco when you do your skincare, then what is you doing? You ain't doing it right. What is you doing? First of all, because I know y'all be seeing that clear as day on y'all cup. But we gonna do it anyways. Because we ain't got time. You feel me? Then I got my chicken. I think you're dumb. Got my chicken from the pop.
For 48, we fast. Dollar made out of plastic. She drinking on things like it acid. I pull up and cook Jurassic. On every dollar like a rascal. My daddy did it, I'm a bastard. I got a $1.50.
Oh, this is copyrighted.
I feel like Ice Cube. Got that steno in my 40, I might make the news.
You want some chicken? Aren't you vegan? Is this chicken or fish? This is chicken. You know I took a break. She's fucking up on her diet. I took a day. You know what a break is? I don't take no break on it. And it's cold. Yeah, I warm it up. Cold chicken is the best chicken.
Oh, chicken is the best chicken.
Oh, middle of the winter. I pull up in the bird.
It's the middle of the winter. She pull up in a skirt.
In the skirt.
Who would tip you $40? What did you do?
It was a grandma.
That's why.
And she was talking about how she wanted me to cover up her wrinkles. Alright. So when your noodles done, you need to take some good old Louisiana.
Sure, you're not making noodles. All you're doing is cooking them and then putting hot sauce in them.
But there's a proper way to make them taste right. You're a hush. You don't know what you're talking about. So when you make them and you get your Louisiana, you need to. Let me
Look at film of the year.
take the hot sauce. And you just wanna that whole top layer right now. Get all in the creases and crevices too. And then need to look.
And that's
covered.
the key to good noodles.
It's the key to good noodles. Take your fork and then just mix them on. And if you can't smell the hot sauce over the noodles, then you ain't got enough.
Oh, hush.
Ooh, fogging up. How you know they good?
Oh, hot.
Alright. We about to go to Sam Malay. What? Hurry up and get ready. This whole need to go to Sam Malay. I'm talking to the camera about you. I'm talking mess. So I'm about to wear what I got on and put on some shoes so we can go to 7-Eleven. I ain't getting that but cranberry juice, but you know what? My cycle about to come on, so I think this is a good excuse to get something sweet. But y'all know my skin, like, my birthday weekend was rough, so I got a lot going on with my skin right now. So I'm trying to figure out if I really want to do it. Like, is it worth it? Even though I could just kind of quickly like drain it out my system with some water. I think I'm gonna just stick to the cranberry juice color today. I ain't gonna let the devil get the best of me. Oh, them stubs. No, I can't get no sweets. My skin. Trying to read what I saw.
Charity, you got to go anything by your lonesome now.
No, I ain't.
Charity, yes. Come on, man.
No.
Already been the other day while they was working at shoot.
Like,
Charity, keep recording.
Is everything under control? Cause why you can't put on some slides?
My skin, some skin was aight. Had that.
You got to do is slide your feet in them.
No, with the skin aight. Got to cover the skin. Huh? You don't walk out with holes.
That's all I stay with. You know I got hella.
I said holes though.
Well, tell him eat the cookie because it's good for him. And when he eat the cookie, he got good for him.
Why he don't never cheat? She under the whole time. Y'all know the half.
So why he don't?
Because you good to him.
Because I'm good to him.